This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Bitcoin today. Bitcoin I observed setting up here on the 15-minute this morning with a break of structure here at this point on the 15-minute. So structurally there's a break of structure here to the long side. And I was targeting this liquidity. There's buy side liquidity, and this candle is the Friday candle from last Friday, and this is today's candle here on Tuesday. So this was Saturday, Sunday, and a holiday on Monday. So I was using Friday as a target. And then this price action fails here, as you can see in this area here. This price action fails, and you can see this large wick, or these two large wick candles here on the 60-minute, this bullish wick candle and this bearish wick candle. So we get the buying to come in, and then we get the sellers to come in immediately afterwards. From a structural perspective, this candle here, there's a market structure shift. We'll zoom in a bit closer on this. So structurally here on the 15-minute, this was the previous strong low, and then this became this was the previous week high. So we would look for either another break of structure to the long side here, or a market structure shift to the short side here. So once this week high is put in, we get selling here, some consolidation, another leg of selling. It puts in this low here, but it doesn't close below this level here where the strong low is, but this candle does in the next candle. So here we have a market structure shift, which could signal a potential reversal in price action for Bitcoin. So with this happening, with this break of this strong low here, this also coincides with these yellow lines here. This is the opening structural range here for the start of the New York session when I begin trading, which is an hour into the pre-market and an hour and a half into the actual market. So with this happening here, this got my attention to go short, and that's when I put up the Fibonacci tool here. From the high that initiates the sell-off from the market structure shift to the low. So then when this gives me my optimal trade entry range on pullback, and that would be this area here from the 0.62 to the 0.69 or 0.79, and you can see my entries are well within the range here. So I took an entry, and then with price action consolidating in this area up here, I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool, and took two additional entries here. For these entries in this area, for this entry and these entries here, my stop was placed above this candle here. So there's a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin, so I give it 20 cents on the spread, and an additional entry here, which was where this Fibonacci was based off of, from the Fibonacci that was set to here, taking another pullback entry here. I'm trying to do a better job of when I'm taking short positions, taking them in an area of premium, so making sure I'm above this 50% equilibrium if I'm going to short a position, or if I'm in a long a position, making sure I'm down here in a discounted area. But these are my positions, or at least the positions that I've taken here. And then with the price action, we can see in addition here, So there's a liquidity void here, which we can see the price action fills in this area here with this stair step or cascade type pattern, fills in that liquidity void. Then we get some consolidation here. We get pullback. We get some consolidation. And then we get some displacement here in this leg. And we get continued displacement. Potential pullback here. And target is right down here at the bottom of the range. And the range on the 15-minute structural range also coincides with the structural range on the 60-minute. And my target is, or basically looking for market structure shifts or breaks of structure on the 15-minute and targeting liquidity on the 60-minute. So what I'm doing right now is targeting this liquidity down here on the 60-minute. There'll be sell side liquidity down here from anyone who went long down here in this area here. So targeting this liquidity for a sweep. And we're getting close to target right now. I'll take you up. I've moved all of my stops based on market structure. So based on current market structure here on the 15, this is the current strong high, and this is the current weak low here. And then when we look at, I'll show you my stop loss. So all of my stop losses are located above this candle here that initiates the break of structure from this short position that we're currently in, or at least with here, this would be the market structure shift. I would count this as pullback, and then this is just continuation of that market structure shift. This actually isn't a break of structure. It won't be a break of structure until it actually goes below this low, so that was incorrect. Right now we're within the structural range of the 15-minute and also of the 60-minute. And I'll pull up the ticket here on the 60-minute, and you can see I've moved the stop down. My entries are where this yellow line is located right here. My entries are all here. In this zone, and I've moved my stop down to here based on structure on the 15-minute currently, and then targeting, as I mentioned before, the sell side liquidity that's located below this 60-minute candle here. So this is my trade idea and current trade here on Bitcoin. If all goes well, we'll get the rest of this continuation and be able to take profit. If not, then I'll get stopped out back up here where my stop loss is located. But this is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.